Welcome to North America, a continent of extreme landscapes and untamed wilderness. Here, vision and power rule the vast open skies. Giants patrol the untamed rivers, waiting for the seasonal bounty. Patience is rewarded with a critical feast before the long winter. Even the smallest seeds hold the promise of towering giants. Millions of years of flowing water have carved deep scars into the earth. In the desert, survival relies on camouflage and a clear warning. Specialized senses track unseen prey in the baking heat.
Speed is the ultimate weapon on the open scrubland.
Volcanic forces paint the landscape in otherworldly, boiling colors. Pressure from deep within explodes in a predictable, spectacular rhythm. Thick coats and sheer willpower endure the harshest freezes. Every breath is a testament to raw, prehistoric endurance. Apex predators shape the ecosystem through relentless teamwork. Along the misty coast, ancient sentinels touch the clouds. Solitary giants find refuge in the calm, quiet wetlands. Crowns of bone grow each year to display absolute dominance. Nature's engineers tirelessly reshape the waterways. Their hard work creates rich habitats for countless other species. The vast open skies can brew terrifying and beautiful storms. Underground towns thrive through constant communication and alert eyes.
A single warning cry sends the entire community safely underground.
Built for speed, they outrun ghosts of predators long extinct. In the deep south, a slow-moving river hides prehistoric secrets. Perfectly disguised ambush predators wait in the murky shallows.
Vibrant colors stand out against the deep green swamp.
Granite temples rise from the earth, shaped by ancient glaciers. Sure-footed acrobats conquer the steepest vertical drops. Heavy armor designed for brutal, head-to-head collisions. In the driest lands, towering succulents stand as monuments of survival. The harsh desert provides unexpected, prickly sanctuaries. Bold colors warn of slow-moving, potent danger. Millions gather at the end of an epic, multi-generational migration. Fragile travelers, navigating thousands of miles by instinct alone. Unstoppable freshwater currents roar over monumental cliffs.
clever mammals use tools to unlock the ocean's tough rewards.
The densest fur in the world provides ultimate insulation. Cooperative giants return to the rich northern waters to feast.
Playful youth learns the skills needed for the bitter cold ahead.
The continent's highest peak commands the frozen north. The ultimate symbol of the frontier strikes with deadly accuracy. Built for domination, an icon of absolute freedom. Ancient, rounded mountains put on a breathtaking autumn display. Foraging is a constant race to build fat before the snow falls. Ancient red rocks stand as silent witnesses to the passing of time. The delicate touch of winter begins to transform the land once again. In the quiet freeze, the resilient spirit of the great frontier endures.
With the arrival of spring, the great frontier bursts back into vibrant, untamed life. A new generation embraces the wild, ready to forge their own path across the continent.
This is a land of pioneers, breathtaking extremes, and boundless freedom. This is North America. Our journey across the great frontier concludes. But the spirit of the wild lives on.
If you loved exploring this vast wilderness, be sure to join us for our next expedition.
Subscribe to Curious Continents, and let's keep exploring the breathtaking beauty of our planet.